Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Naturally, the channel where we help you make English feel like your own thoughts, not just words you memorize. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello to all our incredible listeners joining from everywhere. It's always the best feeling being right here chatting with you.
Hi, Ethan. You look calm and focused today. I can already tell we're about to cover something really important and helpful.
Absolutely. Today we're practicing one of the most useful and sometimes nerve-wracking conversations, how to talk to a doctor in easy, clear English.
Yes, whether you're feeling sick, need a checkup, or just want to describe symptoms confidently, this is English you'll use in real life, at a clinic, hospital, or even on a telehealth call.
But first, quick favor, friends. If these practical episodes give you more confidence in everyday situations, please hit that like button right now.
And subscribe to Learn English Naturally so you never miss the next real-life lesson. We post every week to keep your speaking growing.
Share this with a friend who might need to visit a doctor soon. Knowing these phrases can make the experience so much less stressful.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Ethan, let's make this super simple and natural. Doctors are usually kind and patient, so the key is to speak clearly, be honest, and ask questions when you don't understand.
Exactly. Start with greeting and saying why you're there. Short and polite.
Hello, doctor. Good morning. I'm here because I've been feeling unwell for a few days.
Hello. Please take a seat. Can you tell me what's been going on?
Yes, I've had a sore throat and a cough since Monday, also a little fever at night.
I see. Have you had any other symptoms, like headache or body aches?
Yes, a headache sometimes, and my body feels tired and achy.
Okay. Any trouble breathing or chest pain?
No chest pain, but breathing feels a bit heavy when I cough a lot.
All right. Do you have any allergies to medicine or food?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Noted. Thank you. Have you taken any medicine already?
Yes, I took paracetamol yesterday and today. It helps the fever but not the cough.
Good to know. Let me check your temperature and listen to your chest. Open your mouth, please. Say ah.
Ah,
Throat looks red and swollen. Now breathe in deeply and out. Good. Any recent travel or contact with sick people?
no travel, but my colleague was sick last week with a cold.
That could be it. It sounds like a viral infection, probably flu or a bad cold. I'll write a prescription for cough syrup and something for the sore throat.
Thank you. How long will it take to feel better?
Usually 5 to 7 days with rest. Drink lots of water, avoid cold drinks, and rest your voice.
Okay, should I come back if it gets worse?
Yes, if the fever goes above 38.5 or if you have trouble breathing, come back immediately.
Understood. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Now let's practice a different situation, when you need to describe pain.
Doctor, I've had a stomach ache since yesterday. It's sharp pain here. I point to the right side.
Okay, when does it hurt more? After eating or all the time?
Mostly after eating spicy food, and I feel nauseous sometimes.
Any vomiting or diarrhea?
No vomiting, but loose stools twice.
Any fever or loss of appetite?
No fever, but I don't feel hungry.
All right, let me examine your abdomen. Lie down, please. Does it hurt when I press here?
Yes, right there.
Okay, it could be acidity or mild food poisoning. I'll give you medicine for acidity and something to settle your stomach.
Thank you. Any food I should avoid?
Yes, no spicy, oily, or heavy food for a few days. Stick to rice, soup, bananas, and plenty of water.
Got it. How many days should I take the medicine?
5 days. Come back if it doesn't improve or gets worse.
Thank you, doctor. I feel better already knowing what to do.
Now, one more. Booking an appointment or follow-up.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Khan for next week.
Sure. For what reason?
Follow-up checkup. I saw her last month for high blood pressure.
Okay. Next Tuesday at 10:30 or Wednesday at 11.
Tuesday at 10:30 is perfect. Thank you.
You're booked. We'll send a reminder message. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
So that's a full set of doctor visit conversations: booking, describing symptoms, answering questions, understanding advice, and follow-up.
Practice these out loud a few times. Role play with a friend or record yourself. The more you say them, the calmer you'll feel in a real appointment.
And remember, doctors are there to help. Speak slowly, be honest, and ask if you don't understand. It's okay to say, "Can you explain that again, please?"
Now your turn. In the comments, write one short sentence you'd say to a doctor, like describing a symptom or asking a question.
We read every comment and love seeing you practice. It really motivates us.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
You're doing the work, and that's incredible. Keep practicing, keep talking, and remember, you've got this.
We'll catch you next time with more everyday English that actually works in the real world.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye. Talk soon.